Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to find unknown person's name and details with just their picture. You can also find the name and details of places, vehicles and many more. So let's start. First open a browser and go to google.com. Now tap on images at the top of the screen. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and enable desktop site. Now tap on the camera icon. You can paste an image URL or upload an image. I will upload an image right away. Now tap on choose file. Here, if you select camera, you will be able to directly capture a picture to search. Now let's go back. I'll upload a picture from my gallery. Now tap on choose file again and select files. Now I'll go to gallery from here. Now I'll just select a picture from my gallery. I will show you the example by searching a picture of a place. Let's take this picture and search for this location. And the picture is being uploaded. When uploading is done, you will see that Google finds the name and details of this location. And just like that, you can also get name and information of a people. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.